Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue you have too many outgoing friend requests and are unable to send more in Valorant. So the reason why you are getting this error is because you have sent a lot of friend requests and Valorant is preventing you from sending more. So the limit is you can send 50 friend requests, and after that either that particular user has to accept it so that it gets reduced, or you need to cancel the friend request. So now I will be showing you how you can cancel that friend request so that we reduce the number from 50. So for this you must open Riot Client app. So either you can open the Riot Client app through the desktop shortcut, you'll be having it over here, just double click and open it, or the simple way would be here you'll be having this arrow icon, right? Click it, and here we are having the Riot Client icon. Just double click over it, and here we'll be having our profile. Just click on this arrow and this will show us our Valorant interface and the people who are online. Here we are having this add friend icon. Select it, and as you can see here I'm having outgoing 50, which means that I have 50 friend requests at this moment. That's the reason why I cannot send more. Here we are having this close symbol or cancel request. Okay, so you can simply click on these. This will basically cancel the friend request. Now if I go and send new friend request, it will be going fine. So as you can see, I sent a new friend request, it's saying friend request sent. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.